everyone, welcome back. My name is Yash. And this is where we teach you how to make paper airplanes that will blow your mind. So, in this episode, we're making 3 paper airplanes. One that flies forever as a moonlark, not clickbait, Laser Crested, and Astral. Now, Astral is one of the best paper airplanes ever. So, Moonlark has incredibly, and this, perfect. So let's go with the Moonlark first. Okay, so first up, we're just gonna cut on the dotted line. Then I'm going to cut the line in. So we're going to go on. Okay, so we've got 2 versions here. One that is harder to pilot and one that is easier to pilot. And I want it to be easier to pilot so that all my fans can do it. So first up, we're going to get our pens like this. Yoo-hoo! Okay. Or we can get a pen that doesn't have much of an ink. Now, what we're just going to do is to just press it down, trace over these lines. Like so. And now, and there we go. Now we'll just start folding it in half, open it back up, and fold it again. Then open it back up and fold it like this. Roll it inward again. And again. And now what we have is this. We're going to cut these lines out. We're just going to start folding it in like so. And now we're just going to cut it out. So then we're just going to start rolling down onto it. And now what we're just going to do is to just start pressing these. To just start pressing one of those. And now what we're just going to do is to just curve this out. And same thing. So there we go. And now what you're going to want to do is, you see this part? We're just going to start bending the back on slightly, if you want to do it or not. So we're going to curl up. Hold on. Okay, and now we're just going to make a little U shape. The last of all you're going to want to do is to just bend the back slightly, just to if you don't feel it. It's flying straight. And it can turn around if you don't feel flying straight. So, let's see. Okay, mine, I don't feel quite straight. Oh, it's just, those are cookies. Chips Ahoy. Sorry about that. Okay. Laser Crested. So we're going to begin with this as my top edge. And now we're just going to fold it up. And we're going to make a crease. Press it flat like so. And now we're going to fold this edge to the line there. So. And fold this line to here. And then what we're going to do is to just open this gap up and start pressing it down like so. And now what we're just going to do is to just fold it in again. And now for this time we're just going to fold this in and I'm tucking this in into here. There we go. And now, what we're just going to do is to just fold it in and fold again. And let's fold it up again. Fold it up again and fold it. And now, time to make the wings. I'm gonna start making this. This might be a bit tricky, but you got that. And the same thing on the other side. Okay? So, here we go. And now we are ready to just wrap this layer up. Tuck this layer into that pocket like so. And lay your model flat. And now you have a finished laser crested paper airplane. Cookie break. Okay. Finally, Astral. Cut it the line like so. So you're cutting it out. Template. Like so, to just And now we're ready. So first up, you're going to want to fold this top edge to this left edge, like so. And now we're just going to fold this edge to this edge, making a triangle, like so. And do the same thing on the other side. Now open it up, fold this edge to this edge like this. And now we're just going to fold this edge to this edge, like so. Fold the top layer to this layer. And now we're just going to go back, reverse it. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention that symmetry is very important, so try harder to line up your creases. By the way, I just wanted to tell you that I had a bad day at my school. Do you know why? Because, by the way, guys, I shouldn't be focusing on my mathletics. Sorry to mention about you guys, but this is sad news. Mathletics, I'm about to ban that now. Sorry, but you can't. I'm afraid you won't be the champion anymore. Looks like we have to say goodbye. Looks like a goodbye to mathletics. Flatten everything out. Now we're just going to start folding this edge to this edge. Same thing on the other side like so. And now, finally, I'm going to start folding it up, pinch it out like so, and open it back. We are finished with 3 paper airplanes. And, look at this Astral, my favourite. Laser Christich, the best champion ever. Thanks for watching. Good luck for your playing.